In this video, we will show you how to quickly set up Boya MM1 AI. Open the box to find the Boya MM1 AI. For windshield, shock mode, USB-C to USB-C cable, and 3.5mm TRS to TRS audio cable. Mount the microphone onto the shock mode. Attach the windshield to the microphone when recording outdoors. Mount the shock mode onto the camera's cold shoe or hot shoe. Connect the microphone to the camera using the 3.5mm TRS to TRS cable. Use the USB-C to USB-C cable to connect the microphone to a phone, tablet on computer. When connected to a phone or tablet, plug your headphones into the mic's 3.5mm jack for real-time monitoring. When connected to a camera, plug your headphones into the camera's headphone jack for monitoring. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn on or off. Double press the power button to mute or unmute. Short press the power button to enable or disable noise cancellation. Short press the volume button to adjust output volume. When connected via USB-C to USB-C cable, open the Boya Central application to adjust gain, noise cancellation level, and EQ mode.